Please like this video and share it with your colleagues and friends, and please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. Thank you. We will now discuss the solution of a problem that appeared in the CSIR National Eligibility Test held in the month of July 2024. The given question is from the section Algebra and it is related to the order of an element in the symmetric group S5. This question is from the section C. It is a multiple select question. There can be more than one option and it carries 4.75 marks. The question ID is 704086. This question is suitable for the aspirants of JL, DL, TS set, AP set, IIT JAM and GATE. Right. The given question is, which of the following numbers are order of some element of the symmetric group S5? We are given four options. Option 1, 3, option 2, 4, option 3, 5 and option 4, 6. So we have to find those numbers from these options 1, 2, 3, 4. They are the order of some element of the symmetric group S5. Right. We will now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have S5, that is the symmetric group of degree 5. What is it? S5 is the group of all permutations of the set A, of the finite set A, consisting of the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. And we have to find out the elements of symmetric group, that means those permutations of S5 with orders 3, 4, 5, 6. For this, we recall a result. The result is about the order of a permutation. The order of a permutation of a finite set written in disjoint cycle form is the least common multiple of the lengths of the cycles. This permutation is on a finite set. And take that permutation, write that permutation in disjoint cycle form. That means write it as the product of disjoint cycles. Then the order of the permutation is given by the least common multiple of the lengths of the cycles. So take the lengths of the cycles of the permutation when written in disjoint cycle form and take the LCM of these lengths. That will give you the order of a permutation. A cycle of length n has order n. Obviously, this follows from the above also. A cycle of length n has order n. So we talk about, is there an element in S5 of order 3? Yes. Take a cycle of length 3. For example, alpha is equal to the cycle 1, 2, 3. It is a cycle of length 3 and belongs to S5. Therefore, a cycle of length 3 has order 3. Therefore, its order is 3. So thus, 3 is the order of an element L alpha, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, the cycle that belongs to S5. Thus, option 1 is true. Move to the option 2. Take a cycle of length 4, say beta is equal to the cycle 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a cycle of length 4, belongs to S5. Its order is 4 because a cycle of length n has order n. Thus, 4 is the order of an element beta belongs to S5. Beta is equal to the cycle of length 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the option 2 is true. Option 3, take a gamma as the cycle of length 5. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That belongs to S5 and it is of order 5. Thus, 5 is the order of gamma belongs to S5. Thus, option 3 is also true. Move to the option 4 of order 6. So, what we do is you take an element, a permutation, when written in the product of disjoint form as the product of a 2 cycle multiplied by a cycle of length 3. So, write it as the product of disjoint cycles. The first cycle is of length 2, the second cycle is length 3 and they must be disjoint. For example, you take delta is equal to 1, 2, cycle of length 2 multiplied by cycle of length 3, 3, 4, 5. Then delta, the order of the delta will be the LCM of the lengths of the cycles. So the length of the first cycle is 2, the length of the second cycle is 3, the product is 6. So the order of delta is equal to the first cycle 1, 2 multiplied by 3, 4, 5 that belongs to S5 is of order 6 because the order of delta, now it is written as the product of disjoint cycles. Therefore, delta, the order of delta is LCM of the first cycle 2, the length of the second cycle 3. So, LCM of 2, 3 is 6. Thus, 6 is the order of an element delta belongs to S5. Thus, option 4 is also true. So, all the 4 options are true in this case. Therefore, the answer to this question is option 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem from the section algebra which is related to the order of an element in the symmetric group S5. It is definitely very easy question. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem and you have been watching my videos. Please like and share the videos with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. I wish you all the best. Thank you.